Welcome to today's deep dive. Our mission for this session is to basically unpack this very serious piece of enterprise AV hardware. It's the Just Add Power VBS-HDIP-759A 4K video tiler processor.
Yeah, it's quite a mouthful. But to understand exactly what this machine can do, we're pulling from a highly detailed product page from HDTVSUPPLY. They've been a global supplier of AV products for over 25 years. So we have some incredibly comprehensive specs to go through.
Right, let's just dive straight into the hardware. We're going to tease you a bit right out of the gate here. Imagine being able to watch up to 16 different 4K streams on a single TV screen. And as a fun twist, there is this intriguing industry mystery attached to the
A
device.
hidden price tag, right? You actually aren't allowed to see its price online anywhere.
Exactly. But let's look at how the hardware pulls off these visual feeds first. Because the core functionality of this device is taking up to 4 separate 4K HDMI sources, right? And displaying them all simultaneously on just one screen.
Yeah, so you have options like a standard quad view where the screen is split into 4 equal boxes, or picture-in-picture setups, or even a picture-on-picture layout.
But how is it doing that without just completely lagging out?
It all comes down to what's inside the 1U rack-mountable chassis, which really just means it's sized perfectly to slide into a standard commercial server rack. Inside is a powerful system on a chip, or SoC scaler.
Okay, so that's essentially a dedicated brain specifically for resizing and manipulating video in real time.
Precisely. That dedicated processing is what enables advanced tricks like alpha blending, where you can make one video feed slightly transparent over another, or even chroma key for green screen style effects.
Wait, chroma key. So a commercial setup could essentially overlay a live local weather reporter seamlessly over a national news feed.
On the exact same screen, yes. You also get tools to instantly flip and rotate the video feeds. But the most demanding engineering feat by far is the stacking capability. The specs mentioned you can combine up to 5 of these specific 3G plus 4 plus units together.
Taking 4 inputs makes sense, but how does stacking actually work in practice if you need way more than 4 screens?
What's brilliant about stacking these units is how they cascade. You aren't just plugging in a mess of extra cables. The units are actively communicating over the network to stitch those 16 unique 4K feeds into one cohesive image grid.
And I assume it handles the audio for all of that, too.
Yes, it seamlessly manages stereo or multi-channel audio for those high-definition feeds. Plus, the system supports image, push, pull, and freeze functionalities.
So an operator could instantly push a specific feed to a display or pull one from another source or just freeze a frame entirely during a live broadcast.
Exactly. Think about the real-world applications for a moment.
Right. If you are setting up the ultimate sports bar, this is how you let your customers watch 4 different games at once on the exact same monitor. Or consider a digital signage system. A business could blend live video feeds with rotating advertisements to boost revenue.
It's also incredibly useful for live video production operations that require seamless switching and professional video fades without any of those awkward black screens or drops in resolution.
So if a commercial AV installer or a sports bar owner wants to actually set this up, what is the damage to their wallet going to be? Like we mentioned earlier, you can't just check the HDTVSUPPLY website to find out.
Right, you can scroll through all those enterprise specs, and there is absolutely no price listed anywhere. HDTVSUPPLY is deliberately hiding the price, but not by choice.
It's a manufacturer rule.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just Add Power has a strict policy that prohibits their authorized dealers from displaying prices online.
What happens if a vendor decides to just post the price anyway?
The penalty is steep. If a vendor advertises the price, Just Add Power's 3-year warranty on the product is completely voided.
Wow. And for commercial AV installers who rely heavily on manufacturer support for their enterprise clients, losing that warranty is a massive risk. They simply won't touch a product if the support is voided.
Which perfectly explains why they strictly follow the rules. To actually purchase this processor, you literally have to pick up the phone and call their dedicated number, 833 Wolfpack, just to get a quote.
It adds a whole layer of exclusivity to the buying process, but it ensures the hardware is going through the proper supported enterprise channels. To quickly summarize, this 4K tiler isn't just a basic consumer HDMI splitter you grab off a retail shelf.
No, it is a modular, network cascading powerhouse designed for commercial-grade multitasking, which raises a broader question to leave you with today. With technology now allowing us to seamlessly tile and process up to 16 live 4K video feeds onto a single screen, how will this level of extreme visual multitasking reshape the way our brains consume entertainment and information in the future?
Is our attention span even ready for it? Something for you to ponder until next time. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.